Jay and welcome back to Jay Beauties. So for today's video, I am going to do an unboxing video, which is a new hair tool that I ordered from Amazon, and at the same time we're going to test it out if this thing really works, because you know we all want our hair to be as beautiful as it can be whenever we're just at home or we're just going to take photos, doing our glam. So this is really important, and just to make sure that our hair is really safe on this product. So for the item that I'll be showing you is this bed head TG massive shine wave artist, which is this wave curler right here. Well, other people say like crimp. No, just to get a wavy curl, bitchy curls. So this one, I ordered this one from Amazon and I just received this one today. Today is what day? I think it's, I'm not so sure what's the day today. So today is May 13, and I just got this one from the mail earlier, which is supposed to be arriving tomorrow, May 14. But once again, I did receive my package one day earlier than the scheduled delivery date, so that's good. Especially this quarantine, that's a good thing, because you know. So right now I'm with my real hair and with my extensions on. I just wanted to let you know that my extensions are human hair. Also, I did purchase an extension again at Amazon on the same company that I ordered, which is, I'll be having the review again on that, because this extension is human hair and it's 20 inches. I've been having this extension since October 2019. I used this one on my Halloween costume at work when I used to work for Macy's at Benefit Cosmetics. So when I got this extensions, it was blonde, so I already did a lot of bleaching on this hair just to achieve what color my hair was, just to blend them together, and it's still here. She's still alive. So I would suggest you buying this because it's really cheap, but it's only like a thin layer of hair. So if you wanted to check this one out for a cheaper price, you actually need to get, if you want to give your hair a little bit more volume and make your hair look more thick, you need to buy at least 2 sets of this. But if you only want a volume for your hair, just volume, this is, one set is okay. So let's go jump right into the video. So for unboxing this thing, we need a scissor or a knife just to cut those seal off. Let me just go grab my scissor. Okay, so I already got my scissor right here, and I will just, oh my gosh, this is scary. Where's my knife? Let me just go grab that knife just to be safe, because you know I don't want to scratch my face off. Let us go unbox this one. Boom. Then the top part is fine. Did I just rip that off? Oh my god. I actually like the packaging. It's very pink and very neon on the side. And this is the most satisfying part, guys. Pulling the product out. Oopsie. So I will put the price right here just to let you know what price is this one. And here is the waiver. Alrighty guys, it came, I did receive this one in a purple, which is really matching my chrome purple nails right here. It really is the same color. So this waiver is, it has a description right here on the back. So it says here it's 2 times tourmaline ceramic technology, double the power to combat frizz and add massive shine. So I just want to let you know guys that it is really important for a hair tool to be ceramic than a metal, because I did had an experience before, I mean way back 2000, and I'm not so sure with the year, I think it's 2015 or 14. So I have a friend that has this metal tool, just like, I don't want to say the brand, but it's like metal, like a whole metal thing. And while I was curling my hair with that thingy, I wasn't even noticing that my hair was really sticking out on that rod, like on its rod. And then when I took it out, my hair, I can see my hair burning on the rod. So my hair was like, my hair got cut, but I was like so happy that the part that I was curling that got burnt was right on the middle, because I can cover that one up if it's like right here or right here, because right by the time I'm still on the undercut haircut, which is the very trendy like Miley Cyrus cut, if that's what other people call it. But you know, that's very traumatizing to me. So I always wanted a hair tool that is ceramic. Okay, so it says here that it has a unique deep barrel for sculpted deep or beachy waves. We're going to see that if that really works. Then it has the auto shut off for safety. Where is that? Maybe it's this one. I think it's this one. Then the on and on, the on indicator, which is the red button right here. On off switch for the thingy is right here for the waiver. Then lock unlock switch if you guys wanted to unlock the, so that's how it is. So that's open and it says lock when you push it down. Then next is a worldwide dual voltage for travel. So I don't know what this means, but hopefully this will, because I'm a Filipino, right? And Philippines has a 220 volts, so it says here that it's worldwide dual voltage for travel. So hopefully this one works with 220 volts as well, because you know, here in the US we're 110. I'm really scared if I'm going to the Philippines using this. I might just purchase another one right there, because the volt was already set for the country, but you'll never know. And this one has a 6 feet tangle free, so it says here tangle free swivel cord. So we're going to see that maybe right after weeks of using it. We'll see how it goes, if it's really tangle free, because I did have a lot of hair tool that says tangle free with the cord, but it's not true, sweetie. And it has a hanging ring, which is a very salon type of feel, you know, kind of vibe, where you can just, while using it, you can just hang it right there while waiting for it to cool down. So I'm just going to remove this on the cord, and we're going to test the product out. And it says here actually that So it says here on the side that it is a 30-second fast heat up. So let's try that. Just going to plug this one in on the plug. Okay guys, so I already plugged the waver, but the thing that I didn't notice right here is the metal, or like the support, where you can just let it stand on your table. Yeah, that's the only thing. It has a curve right here, but I don't know what's the purpose of this one. But yeah, because let me just grab my other curling rod. Okay, so this is the curling rod that I'm using, guys. So this is the Infinity Pro from Conair, and look at this part right here. So whenever you let your curler to stand, this will support the rod from getting the surface. So let us turn this one on. So it's now on right here, and we're just going to, so the temperature is right here. How I wish that this one does have the number of temperature, because it only says high and low. The thing right here is just you need to, oh my god, this is so scary. So I'm actually just going to put that on the mid. Wait, let me, 1, 2, 3. We'll see how it goes. It's actually heating up so quick. So while waiting for that to heat up, I don't know where am I going to put this one. Oh my god, this is so scary. So I will just grab a section of my hair right here. I think it's ready. So I'm just going to curl one part of my hair, and I'll just time lapse the rest just to make it faster. I'm really scared. Oh my god. And this is so big. The curl is really big. Okay. Hopefully my hair won't get burned. Okay, good luck. Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just counting to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, this is so scary. Oh my gosh. I guess I need to keep this one on a low setting, because you see the smoke? It really is going to damage your hair. So for you guys that wanted to use this, make sure that you use a heat protecting serum. Don't use an oil. Use a heat protection serum just for you to be safe. But so far I'm actually loving the curl that it's giving me. It's very wavy. It didn't damage my hair. I didn't hear any of that, you know, that my hair is getting toasted. So yeah, I'm just going to time lapse until I finish my hair, and I will be giving you my thoughts on this waver. Okay guys, so I am now back with my hair fully curled. What I can say about the curling performance is it is really good, but just like what I've said, I'm so worried because I know that there's a little space right here where you can just let your waver sit down on your table while you're sectioning your hair before you curl your hair again. I think it is kind of thin. I wish it is a little bit way thicker, or it does have the metal stand just to make sure that it is really safe. And if you have a issue with your hands, wrist, arm, if you get tired easily, this is not really the product for you, because it really doesn't give you that much. It is very lightweight actually, but this clipper, it is really hard to press, so that's another minus for me, or disadvantage for me. For the overall performance, I am actually impressed. I really like the curls right now, but there's a but again. The temperature right here, it is not the right spot. Why? Because while you're holding this like this, you can accidentally pull the temperature on high mode. Just a little precaution for you guys. So I mean, it's really cheap, it's performing better, but we all love our hair. If you guys wanted to check out this product, I will put the link on the description below. Okay guys, so I think that will be it for today's video. Hope you guys like and share this video to your friends. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click that notification bell button for you to get updated with my latest video uploads. And please do follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at jbeauty_. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.